What's up everybody? Hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can add or remove Google account from your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to add or remove Google account from your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can add or remove Google account from your device Infinix Hot 20.